while I'm at work because I can't see how the market's going. So that was my fault. I shouldn't have never jumped in to begin with. I was supposed to wait.
Got it. That's okay. I mean, it's part of the process. Mistakes are needed. So that's good job. Justin, share with everyone your trading. How's it been? How you feel? I know you're new, back to the team, but you're not new to trading. So how has it been for you? Oh, I gotta unmute him. Let me see, where is he?
Yeah, okay. How about, you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I took almost a year off. I've been trading, be 2 years this April. Had a good day yesterday, almost $400.
Nice.
Yeah, worked out good. Watching your trades, your videos.
Awesome. So you took my setups?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, I put them in the group chat.
Awesome. So
yeah, thanks very much. Yeah, definitely,
awesome.
for sure.
So what's your trading goal for this week?
My
Did you reach your goal? Was 400 your goal? What was your goal for the week?
My goal is $400 a day. So my goal is 1,000 a week.
Okay. So you completed 2 days so far out of.
Yes.
All right, not bad. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you very much.
I believe this time around is gonna be your year.
Yes, that's the goal.
Yeah.
That's definitely
And you know a lot. You're very informative, so I really think this is your time. It's your time. It's your time to own it and run with it.
Awesome.
So I'm very proud. Thank you. Marcus, how was your trading week last week?
It was actually one of my best weeks.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't know if I told you I have a small business I'm getting off the ground.
Yeah.
And I really wasn't dedicated. I really wasn't like sticking to my trading plan like I should have been. I've always been, for these past couple weeks, I've been successful. I've been making it, but not just trading to my full potential. You know what I mean? And I just sat down like, hey, I need to take this set amount of time out and just stick to the plan. Most of my setups were hidden. I was setting my alarm, so I was getting up at the right time to trade the right sessions instead of just getting in when I had time. And it's been one of my best weeks so far.
Awesome. So everything's working out. Are you using the products? Are you using anything, or just basically what I show you?
Now, what I did a course before I met found you on YouTube and whatever, and jumped in with you. So I would say I don't necessarily use the IML products because a lot of it, when I started going through it, is repetitive what I already learned. But I've been using pretty much, I trade pretty much like you trade, mostly on most pairs. And then now I'm looking at trying to get in your head and actually see what you do with US 30. Because before I've taken like notes and notes upon notes of how you do US 30, especially like this past October, you was really going into detail on how you did it, and I took all those notes. But at the time, my account couldn't trade it, so I took those notes and kind of filed them away. But now I'm about to dust those off.
Nice. So you go on my live trading sessions?
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. Well, I'll be on tomorrow. I mean, US 30 looks now like a buy. I have it open. If it closes there, I'm gonna call it out on the app, and the first target is gonna be it's gonna be 27,705. No, 28,705. 28,705 is gonna be TP1. US 30. I'm waiting for it to break because you see these wicks here. I'm trying to avoid these wick failures.
So what's going to be the entry to 28,606?
Yeah, I want it to be actually 28,615, which is like 2 pips. 28,615, because look at this wick. I want it to be around that area. Ride it up to 28,705, but the first area of consolidation is actually 28,660. So that can be like a TP1, and then we can make this a TP2. If it breaks TP2, it's gonna go up to 28,750 area. If it breaks 28,750, where I have my two black lines, you see this, guys? This is an area of rejection. The next area has to be this one, the buy zone, because that's where it originally broke out from last week and never retested. So this breakout right here is what I'm actually looking for. And let me change this to a different color so you guys can see what it is I'm talking about. Right there. So price last week. Let me get this. What did I call it? Okay, so this initial breakout from last week never retested. So this is how I study US 30 very well. When I see her breaking out like this, like with this momentum, without a retest, eventually I know she's gonna come right back up to here, no matter what. And she is. She's working her way right back up. So I want her to go here. But if it has to break this two black lines, which is the next major support before it can reach this purple line. So if it reaches 28,660 is TP1, 28,705 is TP2, then 28,750 is TP3, and then TP4 is 28,815. So let me actually go to the app. Damn it. Hold on. Give me a second. I have to. Oh, come on. This app sucks, bro. Freaking. It's showing me the daily. It's not like it doesn't want to change. It's this glitch. I gotta write it over here. Yeah, people are gonna be confused because this is a daily. Buy the 28. 28, 615. 28, 650 is 28, 705. Stop loss is gonna be what's stop loss? Shit. We gotta get in this. Stop loss is gonna be. It's at our entry now. Has to just stay there. Let's see. Stop loss. 28,484. Let me say it. Hold on. Let me call this guy. All right. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Being that All right. So this trade activated already. If it retraces a little, I mean, you guys can be in the trade for the buy. The next 15-minute candle is going to be at 11:45. So, yeah, I got it. Let me see NAS 100. Yeah, NAS 100 too. NAS 100 has to go up too. Yeah, this is creeping up to go to my red and black line right here, guys. I'm just trying to get up to here. Yeah. So this is where NAS is going, trying to go up to. Right here. This area right there. Right there is where I want to see her go. NAS 100. $12 o'clock's gonna move a lot. Um,
Hey Kim, do you mind speaking on some of the differences on how you market US 30 versus regular forex pair?
Go ahead.
I was saying, do you mind speaking on a little bit on some of the differences on how you mark up US 30 opposed to like a regular forex pair?
So when I'm looking at US 30, honestly, I'm looking for the major rejection areas, and I use the highs and lows for entries of previous day. So I don't use as much with regular forex. I mark up regular forex just from zone to zone. So if I will be getting in here, see what this green line is,
Yeah.
because I wanted to break the high of today, because today after 5 starts a new day. So since we had some wick failure here, so I moved my line up, and I gave the alert 28,615. So 28,615 is up here where this wick is technically, right here. You see it?
Yeah.
Right here. So I'm looking for entries above or below the previous day highs and lows.
Okay.
I don't use that for Forex.
And then on the one, so in my notes from October, right? It says like you're doing it on the 1 hour chart, but then it also says that you had like a couple of 4 hour major rejection zones.
Yes, I look at for the 4 hour major rejection zone. So right now, this is what the 4 hour support that is breaking through. Once this candle closes above, that means it broke the structure. It didn't respect it. It broke it. It pierced. Right. You see it? This candle here respected it, right? You see?
Yeah.
Wick failure, wick failure, wick failure, wick. This one broke it. It's no longer respected. So when I see the 4 hour zones being respected or broken, I use those as entries.
Got you. Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now, I didn't get to talk to everybody because of the call, the US 31. So I spoke to I spoke to Jasmine and Justin. Jay, Let us know how was your trading week last week. Did you reach your goals or no?
No, I've been laying low the past week or so.
So you're not trading?
Very very lightly because of head shit.
Got it. Are you feeling better?
I'm getting there. This week I should be good. I'm
Let me know if you need anything. I'm here for you, okay?
Thank you, appreciate it.
Absolutely. That's why we're here. We're a team.
Family.
That's right. Okay, awesome. Approva? Tabitha?
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Kim?
Good. I heard it's your first time on. How do you feel?
Yes, I'm feeling great, and I heard last night your live go live, and it was very impressive and very motivating.
Thank you.
So yes, so this is just my I just started watching the videos, and I'm very new to this. So
Welcome.
hopefully soon I'll start knowing things.
Yes, you will, definitely. Well, today will be more of you observing everything, how everything works.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yep. Yep, and I did check my bank balance account.
Okay. And how do you feel about it?
Good. It's very motivating. I'm on it.
All right.
Yeah,
That's great. I'm glad
yeah,
to hear that.
yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Jesse, you're next. Let me know if you reached your goals last week. If not, why? And if so, let us know. Jess, I unmuted you. Hello? Jess? Hello? Jess? Hmm. Jess? We can't hear her. All right, we'll move. I'll get back to her. David, you're next.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Um, so no, I haven't met my goal. My goal is that what I want to do is make roughly starting off about $100 a week. I've made maybe about $23, but I'm getting there. And on my demo account, I've been killing it. Like on US 30 last week, I made almost like $800, and I don't know why I get so nervous to do it on my live account, but I just feel like I want to get to my live account and then I just blow it, you know. I mean, well, maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe that's how you learn.
Yeah. I mean, but you can't have fear, though. You know that, right?
Right. You know, like, I mean, with play money, yeah, of course I could do. I go in well, not whenever, but when I think it's a good time to go in, and it works great. But all the money that I did make this past week was, you know, on your calls. So thank you for that.
Good. And I talked about fear, right?
Right.
And you gotta let it go. You just gotta let it go. You just have to. There's no choice. I'm logging in because they're saying that I'm putting in the wrong stuff. Um, but if you don't let go of the fear, because you gotta play with money that you can lose, essentially, right? You gotta.
That's
That's
it.
how it is. So you know, if you feel like you're not there yet, we have to get you there, and you need to tell me what do you need so I can get you there.
Right.
You understand?
No, yeah, I definitely understand. I guess, I mean, I I remember when I first started, you were just, you said, when you put money into a live account, make sure that it's money that you or can lose. It's like gone already. And
Yeah.
I guess I just gotta accept that. I know that I can afford. I mean, not afford it, but I mean that's gone already. But it's just, I guess it's just hard. I don't know. I'm just like I said, I gotta get rid of that fear.
Yeah, because you know what? Fear is going to hold you back.
It is. It's gonna make me lose.
That's right. And we're not in the business to lose.
Right.
We're in the business to make money. And we can't make money if you're not willing to let go of that fear.
Exactly.
So we
gotta break
gotta get you there, man.
Yeah, I know. We gotta break that fear. Just go in.
Yeah, you just gotta just go with it. You gotta like. Let me ask you a question. And this is what I tell people: if you can do it on your demo account, you can do it on your live account.
Right. On my demo account, I've obviously had more money put in there, and when I see it go to like negative 150, it's not like I'm not freaking out as because it's plenty of money, but I see it jump right back to positive 400. I'm like, hell yeah! But is that a good way of thinking? I mean, is that a good, is that okay?
What you were like? So when you're negative,
Yeah, like if you go negative like that far and you're just like, okay, screw it, just let it hang there. It's
I mean, you have a stop loss. Yeah, it's fine.
Right. So okay.
Let it go. I mean, if you see some of my drawdowns, you guys will have heart attacks. I mean, I just look at them and be like, all right, I guess I gotta look at the red a little longer. You know what I mean? I don't want to, but I mean, I gotta stay disciplined. So I mean, but it's not easy. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but I tell people if you can do it on demo, you can do it. You can do it on a live. Why? So then, what happens is when people transition from demo to live, and they don't see the same results, is because you're not reacting to the market the same way you did on demo. You gotta act the same way you act on demo, the same way you do on live. Why do people perform better on demo? Is because their emotions are not attached to that money.
Right.
So your performance is not the same, and then you start thinking, "Oh, well, this doesn't work." No, it does work. It's you don't work. It's your mindset that doesn't work. And it's why I've been emphasizing so much on mindset, because your mindset is the barrier that holds back most 90% of entrepreneurs. It holds back investors. It holds back traders. It holds back a lot of people that are trying to get to the next level. And the people that you do see become successful is because they're able to crack the code of mastering their mindset and able to separate their emotions and learn to become disciplined when it comes to trading. But that's gonna take time, right? You're gonna learn that with experience, right? But for you to have these experiences, you gotta let things happen. If you withhold yourself from experiencing these things, you're never gonna learn from them. If you don't learn, you don't grow, and if you don't grow, you don't make money.
Right.
You kind of have to like fly with your wings and kind of like let it go. Like if you lose, you lose. You win, you win. But you have to understand when you lost, why did you lose this trade? When you win, why did you win this trade? And learn from both aspects.
Right. Yeah. I was talking to Jessica about this as well. She was just like, learn from your mistakes. Detach yourself from the money and don't trade with emotion. So she's like, emotion messes with your logic.
That's correct.
So
That is correct.
but I'll get there. I know I will.
Perfect. All right. Next is Charisse.
Hi Kim, how are you?
How are you?
I'm very good.
When did you join?
This is my first session.
Have you gone on the INL TV?
Yes, yes.
You went on my session yesterday?
No, I could not get on your session yesterday. I wasn't there.
So what session did you do?
There was another session. I think about
the academy. Radhika says.
Yeah, in the academy. I actually have some issues with my account as well. So not all the academies are available to my account.
Okay, we'll get that fixed tomorrow morning, okay?
Yeah, yes.
And how do you like it so far?
It's pretty good. I'm pretty excited. This is my first day.
Nice. And what's your background?
I have my small business.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, you have the entrepreneur mindset.
Yes,
You're a risk
absolutely.
taker. You started a business. And how long you been in business for?
It's been a while. I mean, almost like 15 years now.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah.
So are you looking to earn more capital for more investing for businesses?
Well, absolutely.
Nice. Okay. All right.
All right.
I'm excited. Well, we'll talk more on the next session. Hopefully by
Absolutely.
next week we'll
Sure.
have some more information. Okay.
Absolutely.
Awesome. All right, Anna, you're next.
Hi, Kim.
How are you?
This is. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Did you learn anything from last week to now?
Yeah, I've almost finished my academy and I started to do something on my demo account also.
Okay. And
So
how's that
I'm
been going?
following. Yeah, everything is good. Whatever you, I actually I joined your live session last time, like last week and this week also. So just learning from that and trying to implement all those things in my trade demo account.
And how did you
So
do? I
that
heard Radhika say you did good.
Yeah, thank you, Radhika. Yeah, but I'm just trying to learn whatever you guys
Okay.
are telling on the this sessions, trying to follow that only.
Good. Awesome. I'm excited. Well,
Thank you.
congrats. Keep killing it, okay?
Okay.
Thank
You're welcome.
you. Okay, Brandon, you're next.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good.
Did you reach your goals last week or what?
Yeah.
And how do you
I,
feel?
Pretty good. I did like around 8% last week with like two trades, or a NAS buy and a US 30 sell. I could have made more had I held my US 30 sell, but it's all good. I got in a sell today and I made 4% already.
Nice. So I'm proud of you.
Yeah, it's going really good. Going good.
Pretty soon you're gonna be a pro, right?
That's the goal. That is the goal.
Awesome. I'm excited. Whose iPhone here? So I know.
I think it's me, Vivian.
Oh, hi, Vivian.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How's everything?
Everything's good. Um, I just deposited money into my VLoad account this week, and Priscilla helped me.
Nice.
Yeah, and then so my first official trading was Thursday, and that was the day like we had like a back call on the US
Mhm.
30.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was like my first day, I was like mad excited, and then it was like a big loss. And like you told everybody, all right, get out. And like I was being stubborn. I was like, nah, I'm gonna stay in. It's gonna shoot back up. So I like lost a little bit more. Um, but what's it called? But like you said already, like you can't be scared of like losing money, and it's like obviously I'm not being irresponsible and like using my rent money or anything. So I'm hoping to make that plus more this week.
Nice. Perfect.
Yep.
Okay. That's good. Next is gonna be, let's see who's next. Yeah. Hold on one second. When you're buying the break, you're buying the break of 28,615. So basically, right now price is at 28. I gave this ahead of time. Price is at 28,591. So when price breaks and closes above, use the 15-minute time frame. You get in at the break of 28,615. I would put buy stop, but I'm doing buy of the breaks, meaning when it breaks that price, when entry is broken and price is staying and closes above there, you are manually executing. Everything is instant execution. There's no pending orders. So I'm looking for it to close above 28.16. It's at 28.591, and I'm looking for it to go to 28.660 and then 28.705. Yeah, 15 minute. Yeah, it's sitting there. It hasn't broken. It's just I'm watching. I have it open, but I gotta call the trade ahead of time because if I call it when it happens and it flies, and no one gets to get in. All right. No, you're good. Buy the break means that you wait for the price to break the entry. All right. All right. Take care. Bye. Someone from corporate is taking. It wants to take the signal on US 30. Oh my god. All right. Gene, you're next. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. So let's talk about how was last week. Let me know.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I didn't make my goal last week. I didn't. I took 2 of your trades and I did good. And Thursday, I took a trade and I was driving to the auction. I shouldn't have took the trade. You didn't call it out, but I was just being jumpy and ended up jumping in it before you called it out on live. And because I was driving to the auction, I didn't actually set a stop loss. I ended up losing on Thursday, so I didn't meet my goal last week.
How about this week?
Huh?
How about this week? I've had 17 take profits hit in a matter of 24 hours.
Well, I didn't trade today at all. I wasn't able to. I was stuck working all day, so I didn't get to trade today.
Got it.
I didn't get to trade today.
I did try to trade. You guys need to start trading Sunday nights, Monday. Most of my TP starts hitting by morning and by today. GPB, NZD, EU, take all 3 targets hit. That's 9 TPs on 3 each pairs. USD SAR, oil, NAS.
I took your gold trade, matter of fact.
Gold. I mean, guys, that's like all the setups from last night. We're talking about 17 TPs. Radhika took, out of the 10 setups, she took 7 of them because there was just so many setups going off. She missed 3 of them. But she took 7 out of the 10 trades. She took 7 of them. She's up 26% from yesterday.
Nice.
I'm only taking my trades. Same thing. Take my trades so you can build your account. This is why I do this every Sunday. I didn't remove that session so you guys, from you and the team and everyone, can go eat off of my signals. You just gotta start taking them and maybe like don't book yourself on a Sunday and Monday.
Wow, that's real good.
I even moved my session, so if people were watching the Super Bowl, I gave everyone time. That's why I started an hour later. So let's try.
I wasn't able.
Yeah, let's try to have some time though, because you know I'm having a lot of success with a lot of people winning on Sundays and Mondays. So let's try to keep that momentum, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Next is gonna be Candace. You can unmute yourself and let everyone know a little bit about you, your experience, and how everything's going for you.
Hey guys. So I used to trade. I stopped for a little bit. Reason is because I wanted to like make sure that I'm playing with money that like I can afford to lose. And I had to really get like my patience level up. So this time around, yesterday and today, I'm a whole new trader. Your setups from yesterday really like grew my account even more than what it was.
Nice. I'm excited about that. I'm happy.
That's good. And that everything is all mindset. So that video helped too yesterday, which was great.
Good. I'm glad. As long
Thank
as you guys have, yeah, I mean, that's what it's about. I mean, you know, I don't want to be the only one winning on the trades. You know, it's why I share my analysis so we all can eat off of it and not just only me or If there's 20 of us, I don't want 5 of us to. There's always a certain amount of people always winning when it could be all of us. There's so much money left at the table when we're not, paying attention or not focusing or getting caught up on something when Sundays and Mondays are big days for my setups. So we gotta like take advantage. Or if you're working or you're doing whatever, cancel everything because that's just money just being left at the table at the end of the day. And we're all trying to create 6 to 7 figures this year for 2020. We're already 1 month has passed. We're in February. And we don't got time to waste. We got to, it's February 4th already. It's 26, 24 more days left for this month till we enter the 3rd month already in the year. And you guys have 6 to 7 figures that you guys want to make. So if you're not up 10 to 15% from January, now you got to compensate January and February. So that's why I tell people it's important to have your goals, because if you're not meeting them on a monthly basis, what's happening is now you're going to have to overcompensate for, the few bad months that you're not, producing. So we got to chop, chop, chop and get to work is what I tell everybody. I'm right now, I'm like literally beyond exhausted. I have a headache. I'm tired. I gotta be up early because I gotta make sure that my mind is right for the New York session tomorrow morning. But we gotta just keep on pushing, no matter how tired we are, how much cranky or whatever stress we're going through, whatever it is, we just gotta push ourselves through it. And once you fight it, it just disappears somehow, some way. Something inside of you just like overpowers it. And I'm really exhausted right now. That's why you hear me yawning. I'm trying to stop, but oh my god, I'm yawning again. Excuse me, guys, but I just want to really help you guys and really take it to the next level. And I'm excited to see where what success you guys have in the next 6 months. So actually, the next 5 months, because 1 month passed already. So come on, guys, we have 5 months. You want, if your goal is say 500,000, you kind of want to you got to make 250,000 in your first 6 months. If you haven't even made 5 or 10,000, we got a lot of work ahead. So just keep that in mind. Whatever goal you have, and if you're not halfway by June, it's just going to just get harder and harder. So we have to, we got to make sure, you got to get out of the mentality. Like I had a friend of mine say to me, oh, the year just started. It doesn't matter if the year just started. That's 31 days that just passed. That's 31 days that you could have performed. And it's actually now with the 4 days in, it's right now 35 days has passed in the new year. And if you have the mindset of, oh, well, it's just 1 month. No, you can't think it like that. That's 35 days gone already. That's 35 days less you have for your goals now, if you haven't completed any of them. That's the mindset you guys have to have. I'm on panic mode all the time. If I'm not reaching my goals, I'm like, oh my God, this is amount of days. I have to December 7th to make $10 million. I'm panicking because I keep the pressure on me 24/7, 7 days a week, so I can perform at the rate that I'm performing. And it is mind draining, but it is so worth it. The adrenaline rush, the drive, is going to really take you guys there. And I want to see you win more than anybody else. Trust me. I want to see you win better than me, because no one aside of us knows what it is to be a trader. See, our family or friends, they may support us, but they don't really know what we're going through. No one's in our shoes right now. No one's the ones killing, staying up at night, breaking night, lack of sleep, stress, the emotions, or the whole nine that goes in between, being an entrepreneur and investor at the same time. So, I understand you better than anybody else will ever understand you. And that's why I root for you. And I'm your number one fan. I'm your cheerleader. I'm the one rooting for my personal team to keep going and going, because that's a milestone for me to see someone else win. I don't want to just see me win. It's actually not fun, to be honest, because when you're around, when you're the only one making money in your circle, it's like, damn man, you want to feed your own circle, you want to feed your friends, and that's what I want to do for you. Like, it's not fun just seeing me win. It's not. I'm being honest. It's more satisfying when Justin said he made $400. When Candace said she made way more than what she expected. When Brandon's telling me he made 8% last week and he's already up 4%. That what's exciting to me, because now I'm like, damn man, like my friends are winning. Like, these are my friends. You guys are not students. You guys are my friends. You're people that I wanted to work with. So I'm excited. Like, you have no idea. Like, that's what keeps me going. Like, seeing your success, seeing you win makes me go even harder. It doesn't slow me down. It actually makes me go even more harder for you guys, because I want to just see you continue, winning. It's just a weird feeling. I can't describe it, but just keep on winning, guys. And I literally have you guys always in the back of my mind, like, damn man, I don't want Gene to lose. I don't want Jay to lose. I don't want you guys to lose. I want you guys to keep winning. Marcus is killing it. I'm happy. Maybe he could share some insight for those that may not be always having good winning weeks. Maybe you need to hear it, I guess, from someone else besides me. Maybe they're seeing something different. I don't know. Maybe they know how to take my setups better, or they know how I trade. Get get a little bit of ideas from everybody that's winning, to try to like collaborate and kind of figure out, okay, well, this is where you're lacking. This is why you're having losses. Okay, this is where you're lacking, and let's fix that as a family, because I don't want anyone left behind. There's too much money into making this industry to leave anyone behind. You understand? So let's keep with that mentality of being a champion and of a winner, so we can have that momentum in our life. Robinson, unmute yourself and let me know how it was last week for you.
Hey, good night, guys. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, so personally for me, it's been a learning week. I've been invested in the IML Academy, and I can say like everything is making sense. I spent about 2 days going through the academy, and I've gone through it. I'm at a place where I'm marking up my own charts, US 30 and stuff like that, and I see where it makes sense. So I can say this week is a super win for me, because I'm learning, I'm understanding too.
Nice. I'm excited. Keep on going, man.
Yeah,
I'm excited. Thank you for that.
no problem.
Robinson, you're next.
Kim, how you doing?
Good. How's it going for you? Let me know.
I haven't traded last week or the week before. I just had some problems in the house with my babysitter and the kids, so just had to readjust from place to place, and work's been hectic. I haven't been able to not been focused. Like, it's just so much shit going on at the house, man. It's like, when your spouse is not on the same like mentality of like you wanting to do something, and they just want to try and bring you down. So it's like either rocking with me or you staying behind. So
Yeah, but remember what I teach you about that. Remember what I teach you about my sessions. If your partner's holding you back, you gotta
yeah, definitely you got to move on.
you gotta block them out. Like
Yeah,
either you win it or you're not, but you're being left behind because I ain't leaving this money at the table. Like, you gotta go. Like
definitely.
that's my mentality, and like that's why it's really important, because the people who you surround yourself with the most has the most influence.
Exactly.
And that negativity, like, you just gotta bounce. Like, even if you gotta leave the house and focus, and just work in an environment where there's peace and calm, sometimes you just gotta do it. You just gotta
That's
find a
what I
way.
try and do. I try to do it like in the truck, but then it was really bad. We had a babysitter, and she fucked around and left my boys in the car by themselves, and we found out, so we had to get rid of her, moved back. I left the house and where I was living at, and we moved back to an apartment with my father for now to readjust because we didn't have nobody to take care of the boys. So it's like it's been fucked up, but
Yeah, it's a
I'm gonna
lot.
get it.
All right. So can you try and get it for this week?
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
My goal is
Hey Kim.
Hi. How was last week trading for you?
So last week was like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was awesome. My goal is 3% a day. And with my account size, it's like $67 a week. And I was up by like 130 something. So it was like double. And then Thursday happened and I kind of lost it. But I ended up just breaking even, which is fine. But I was so excited to come on and be like, Kim, I finally made it this week. So, but yeah, it's a whole new week. I adjusted my work schedule, so I am going to be on live Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Nice.
It got approved, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, another thing I learned last week was remember I told you that I was being slightly impulsive sometimes with my own trade?
Yeah.
Okay, so last week I disciplined myself where I literally only took your trades. And that kind of means a lot to me. Anytime I felt impulsive, I literally only went on demo. And so that was like a really big win for me. I disciplined myself where I only took your trades. And this is going to be me, like moving forward. Anytime I feel impulsive, I'll just go on demo. Or if I want to take my own trade, I'm going to do it on demo because I don't want to kind of risk it. If there's a high percentage that of winnings with you, I don't want to risk my own account with real money in a trade that I might not be 100% confident on.
Yeah, until you build that confidence up.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, well, keep going, girl. Radhika, unmute yourself so you can talk to everyone. Yeah, see if they can hear you. Here, wait, hold on. I am. It's just going back. Hold on.
Hello. See.
No.
All right. Last week, my account, I did pretty well. I made almost 40% for the week. And this week so far, since yesterday, I'm up 26%. So I am very, very happy. It's been the best 2 weeks so far.
So you have how much total?
Huh?
How much of total you want? You said 47?
40 last week and
All right, so 67.
67. There you go. 67% for in the beginning of the week. So this week so far, just from yesterday's trade, I'm at 26%, which is really cool. So hopefully I beat the 40 that from last week this week. That's what I'm hoping for.
All right, talk to them. Anything else you want to say?
No.
You want to give any ideas to anyone, tips?
I mean, the one thing that I always do right after sessions is I put alerts on for the buys and the sells, and as soon as everything alerts, as soon as it alerts, I look at it and I keep an eye on it, and if it closes above, if it's a forex pair, if it closes above or below, then I wait for it to close and then I get in, or else if it's an indice, then I just wait for the break and I get in. But I watch them all very carefully.
I have a question about alerts. Do you just use TradingView for alerts, or is there another software that you could use for alerts?
I use TradingView for alerts, and I bought the Pro, but it's not enough because last night I missed out on GJ because and GJ would have been an awesome sell because I didn't have enough alerts.
Right.
If I had enough, because I thought, okay, I can handle watching like DN, GJ, and GU, and I clearly missed out on GJ. So I think I'm just gonna upgrade the plan.
Gotcha. Okay.
Not worth, it's you're making that money back anyway when you're trading.
Right.
So it's totally worth just paying for the. I think now the next one is like Pro Plus or something.
Gotcha. Okay.
Do you know? Sorry, do you know if when you upgrade that you have to pay like the difference, or do you have to pay the whole sum?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna figure it out. But here's the thing about TradingView. So if you guys have if you have the one, the free one, when you go to initially sign up.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about. You know how you can pick a plan and you get it free for 30 days.
Right.
What you do before the 30 days ends is you go into the account and you say you want to cancel it, and when they ask you the reason, say it's too expensive, and they're going to cut down the price by like 50%.
Yeah, I saw that. Is that like permanent, or is there like a time frame of that?
And the thing is I'm already locked in for 50% for the next year because I went to go cancel it midway. And I said, oh no, I don't want to do it because it's still too expensive. Because for the year after, they're going to charge you the full price. And because I said it was still too expensive, they gave me the same price again.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So just keep going back in every year and saying that it's too expensive because if you do that, you get 50% off or whatever the discount is. I can't remember exactly, but it's like a really big difference.
Nice. Thank you.
Okay. Here, you're good. Just touch them here.
Alright, so I didn't reach my goal last week because I just feel like I'm not in the best spot mentally and mentally right now. I've been sick a lot too, but I'm gonna be working on that this month. Most than anything, working on my mindset. There's a lot of things that I have to fix, so that's pretty much it.
Do you have any suggestions you want to give to people, the beginners, about mindset?
Yeah. One thing that is really important. I think you gotta in order for you to be a good trader and make good decisions, I think you gotta be in a good spot mentally, and just always make sure you have the good people around you, people that are supporting you, people that are always pushing you something, and make sure you're always like in a good environment, like with peace, like an environment where you can actually like sit down and think, and like a quiet place and stuff like that. That's pretty much it.
Nothing else you want to add on this? You good? All right. All right, now I'll mute myself now. All right, perfect. So, all right, guys. So, the first one I see here is, let's see. Let's look at NAS 100. So, NAS 100, I see it going up here where I have my buy zone, which is 92, 9200. Is where I see it going, but it needs to break these three little wicks that it's fighting over here because the buy actually was here, but was 3 hours ago, and it flew up this buy. This was my buy right here, which it would have been at TP1. So right now, NAS is technically sitting at my TP1, but I missed it. I mean, I was watching it, but it flew. So this actual candle like flew right through. Even though it's the 1 hour candle you see here, it just flew right through on the 15-minute time frame, giving no entry. So now that I see it building consolidation at TP1, I'm looking for it to break it to hit TP2, which is my red line, 9,200. So you could put an alert at 91.80 and trade it to 9,200. If it breaks 9,200, then I'll go for, what was it, right here, 92.25 for the NAS 100. S&P 500. It broke my buy. This was my buy zone right here. It's also doing the same thing like NAS. It's sitting at TP1. If it breaks TP1, you can ride it to TP2, which is up here. And that would be 32.75. I would trade. So if it breaks 32.69, I would ride it all the way up to here to 32.75. Second TP is going to be 32.82 for the S&P 500. But this was the initial entry, was the buy. It broke out the same time NAS broke out, and it just happened so fast. So US 30 didn't break out like that. So I was waiting, focusing on US 30, which is at our buy entry now. And this is what's happening basically. So it broke out, is building momentum, it's reconsolidating here for about 2 hours, almost 3. And we're looking for a continuation to the upside because it needs to at least go to my TP2, which is up here, which I'll show you guys. This is where I see it going up to. Right there. So we'll see if it can break these 3 wicks and fight right through it. So that's what we're looking for. I'm seeing bullish moves for S&P, NAS, and US 30. Let's open US 30. US 30, same thing. It's sitting right here. So 28, 615 is right. I'll show you. That's 28, 615. So it's underneath there. I'm waiting for it to break it so I can continue in these buys to which the TPs that I gave out, which is 28, 660, 28, 705, 28, 750, and then 28, 815 are my targets for US 30. Hopefully it breaks them so we can make some money on that. What pairs do you guys want me to go over? Because I mean, this is my specialties and indices, and then whatever Forex pairs you guys want, we can do.
Do you mind posting the link to
Just
US?
unmute yourselves.
Do you mind
So
to the
oil
US?
just only hit TP1. I got out of TP1 because it just kept sitting there and it wasn't breaking, and now it's retesting the sell break oil.
Yeah.
Does anyone want to go over pairs?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you go over gold?
Was everyone able to hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah. What pairs do you guys want to look at? Does anyone have any questions? I didn't hear if anyone had questions.
Yeah. Can you hear me, Ken?
Yes.
Do you mind posting the link to US 30? I just want to see. I'm practicing charting up US 30 myself. I just want to be able to compare it. You know what I mean?
You want the picture?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'll take a picture and I'll send it to you guys. There, US 30 is right there.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Okay, Kim.
Yes.
Yeah, Robinson. I sent you a message on Instagram regarding risk management.
Okay.
Yes, I just need you to just show me what that would look like on the charts and stuff like that.
Okay, so let me open your messages first to see. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, now I just found you. Perfect. I don't see any questions here. There was nothing.
No, I said on your I said I would really like you to do a session on risk management currently in the IML Academy.
On my, where'd you write that? On Facebook? On Instagram?
No, on Instagram. I just messaged you. Just scroll up a bit.
Oh, okay. I see it all. I see it all up there.
Yeah.
Okay. So risk management. Okay. So when you're trading indices, the risk manager is actually a 1-to-1 because of the pip count on how they're done. So your stop loss is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm sorry, I was yawning. That's why I paused. So basically, what we're looking at, if you're looking to make say 2,000 pips, we try to do like a 12 to 1,500 stop loss because 12 to 1,500 stop loss is very small in US 30. So what we tell people is if you don't have a lot of money, try the NAS or the S&P, and their the payout's not the same, but risk management is a little bit better on that. Now, if you're going on Forex, say regular Forex pairs, it's going to be a 2-to-1 ratio. So if you're looking for 50 pips, your risk is only going to be 25 pips. 2-to-1 is for Forex. 2-to-1 is for oil. 2-to-1 is for gold. 2-to-1 is for USD ZAR, except for indices. You got it?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions?
Not right now.
All right. What pairs do you guys want me to go over?
Can you do GA?
Sure. You saw that GN cell that we did yesterday, right?
Yeah, man. It was
That was
nice.
beautiful. Everyone was going crazy. Look at that cell, bro. Look at my cell. You see this setup? Damn. Hit right through.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shows like nice sales. I caught a couple on both.
Good. Did you hold on to all my targets?
I did 50 pips each because like overall like I saw an uptrend until I see anything different to the fundamentals, which I got today. So I still see a little bit more downside, but I'm waiting for both. But I got 50 pips on both GAGN.
If it closes underneath this line, it's gonna be a sell. I'm just looking from the daily. I'm gonna look at the weekly. So this is exactly how we trade her. I would trade the breakout of this consolidation area, and my targets from yesterday would be my buy targets because they all hit, and then my old targets from last week would be my new targets for the sell. So for instance, this would be my sell zone. Hold on. Let me put this at the bottom. Perfect. I would sell here. This would be T1. I'll give it to you guys. This is TP2. TP3. So I will honestly trade the breakout of 2.01 for 60 for the buy, and I would trade the breakout for the sell of 2.00820. 2.00820. My TP1 is going to be 2.00355. 2.00355. TP2 is 1.99870. TP2 is 1.99870. And then TP3 be 1.99450. 1.99450. My TP1 for the buy will be 2.01890. 2.01890. TP2 is 2.02330. 2.02330 is TP2. And then TP3 is 2.0730. 2.02730. You guys have any questions, or you do for GN?
Can you repeat the buy alert?
2.01460.
Thank you.
Brandon, you have any questions?
No. I agree.
Do you have anything different, similar, or what?
Nah, the only, I mean, it's the same thing really. Like I'm looking for it to break 2.01 or for a sell, and I'll go I'll go for 100 pips because I don't see anything stopping it to go to 2, to be honest with you. And for a buy, I would only go for 60 pips if it breaks 2.014. Only reason is because there's some resistance in the 4 hour.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right, so pretty similar.
Yeah, it's the same thing, basically.
Yes. Does anyone have any questions? Does anyone want to ask any questions about this setup?
I have a question.
Yes.
So for the GBP pairs, do you trade just the breakout, or I mean, like, do you trade the close of the breakout?
I just trade the breakout.
Okay. So sometimes you don't wait till like it closes.
Well, yeah, I trade the breakout and I still wait for it to close. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Just for extra confirmations.
But you usually wait till like the 15-minute, right, Kim?
Yes. If I see it looking funny on the 15, I'll wait until now I'll go up to the 30 if it looks funny on the 15.
Mm.
Like, let me give you an example for yesterday. Like here yesterday on the 15, it was playing here in my red line. It wasn't until finally the 30 broke that it started coming and it came up, but I was already in this. As soon as this candle right here closed underneath right here, I got in. So it was playing here, I was still in, and then obviously then it started tanking. But yeah, as soon as I get a candle to close underneath, I'm getting in at this candle, boom, as a sell.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I do that with all my trades. Anybody else has any questions on this one?
Kim, so you want a whole can, like this is a sell, right? So you want a whole candle to close below that alert line.
Yes.
Not half of a candle, the whole candle underneath.
Yes, on the 15 minute or the 30.
Got it.
It's just hard for that sometimes to wait on US 30 because then it flies.
So is there an exception on US 30 or no for the most
If I see a momentum, if I see it like it's gonna like just tank, like I'm just jumping in and I'm like literally like my eyes glue and if I see it reversing on me, I just close out. But like the thing is when momentum goes, one momentum candle could be like 5,000 pips in like 10, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So I kind of use my judgment. It's not always going to be like that. If it's a lot of like right now, the market's like slow, so you can wait. But like the mornings is when it's going. It's like it's hard because I'm doing it for like thousands of people that are on the same time. So I may take the risk on my account to try that momentum because I can kind of like finagle my stop loss real quick because I'm fast. But if I don't see the momentum, then I'll wait. But if I see like a lot of momentum, like I'm just jumping in at that point. As soon as it breaks, I'm like in. Got it?
Got it. I mean, I've been learning a lot from your lives. Like you are very patient. I would have probably gotten in at some points when you didn't say get in yet. So I'm learning a lot as you're trading because I see that you didn't get in yet. So I'm learning as you're doing it too. So it's really good.
Awesome. I'm
Hey,
glad.
I got a clarifying question on Steph's question. So she was asking you, do you wait for like the whole candle to close? Are you that kind of confused your response to that? Like, are you saying that, for example, if half the if the candle opened above the zone and it closes below, you're not waiting for a whole new candle to be completely below the zone, right?
No,
Candle closes as long as the close below the zone.
that's correct.
Okay, just making sure.
Yep, that's correct. Does anyone what other pairs you guys want to go over? I mean, this is your session, so pick what do you guys want to do?
Gold.
Gold. I see a nice sell on her. Yeah, it's at a good support. I mean, hit TP2, my sell break, TP1 and 2 hit. Now you see it wicking, right? Let's tweak it a little. Right here, hold on. I would put an alert at 1573.30. 0.30, and my TP1 would be 1570 200. 1570 would be 1570 200 is TP1 and 1567.5 would be TP2 for gold for me. What are y'all seeing? What do you guys see?
I feel if it break that TP2 line, it should go to TP3 and fill up that wick.
Yep. That's what I'm seeing too.
Yeah, but I'm seeing sales for gold personally.
That's what I'm seeing sell too.
Can we look at ZAR?
Oh, of course. Does anyone want to add to gold though before I move forward?
Again, will that eventually go down to 1565? Is that a good reversal area or no? Or is that too far down?
My TP, if it breaks my TP2, then I just move my stop loss there and I just let it go as far as it goes.
Okay.
But the next area that I have is 1564.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Jay, do you want to add anything to your favorite pair?
1568. It needs to break.
Is Jay on?
I see it. 1568. It needs to break that to go. That's the next support zone.
I agree.
Oh, so where are you seeing it?
1568 is the next support zone.
So you see it dropping.
Yeah, it's gonna. It needs to fill that wick.
Perfect.
And then go in for the buy. If it supports that support holds up at 1568.
Share your screen with me. I want to see what you see.
I don't have my
Brandon, share yours then, since you guys have similar setups.
I don't have it on this computer.
Hold up. Let me log in. Do you see it?
Yes.
So I have this. I haven't touched gold to be honest, but I have the same thing as Jay. If this has to come down here for my, if it's gonna go down, I see it coming down here. And if it respects, then I'll just look for bullish movement, like you said, and I'll take it up. But this will be my first line of support, like you said.
In reality, it's a bullish trend, so it's gonna most likely. I see it coming down to 1568 and then going back up.
Yeah, I see it too around there. Like if anything, this is my last line of defense. Right here, this little area. Because if it closes below here, then it becomes a resistance if it starts consolidating. And then for me, if it breaks here, it'll be a for sure sell all the way down here.
Got it.
Yeah, but do we have any major news coming?
NFP
Mm-hmm.
When's NFP?
Friday.
Okay, so but
It all depends. But I agree, it is an uptrend overall, unless high lows are being taken out.
That's a nice area. Perfect. Let me share my screen. Okay, what's the next setup? Czar?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, Czar broke my TP2, and she should continue dropping.
Okay, I'm already in the sell for it. So
Yeah,
it's good.
yeah, she should continue dropping to 14,798. 13 is TP1. Then TP2 is 14.74390. And then the last one is the support 14,700. Well, 7,000, but yeah. So yeah, look, it just finally broke where I actually wanted it to break.
What was your first TP for that?
The first TP I have to go back to 4 hour.
14.798.
Yeah, 14.79813.
Okay, thank you.
But this should drop to my buy of the break right here. It should drop more for sure. Looks good. Looking real nice. Anything else you want me to go over this pair?
Nope. Looks good.
All right, what's the next pair, guys? What else you guys want?
Can you do GA?
GA? Okay. So I would sell let me show 193,340, 193,340, and I would buy at 1940.80, 1940.80. I would buy at the break of this old support. Right to right here. That's a TP1 for me. This would be an entry. I would enter here at 1.94080. TP1 is 194,515 and 194,940. I would sell at 1933. 350 area? Yeah, 350. And my TP1 is 193060. 193060. TP2 is 192,795, 192,795, and then TP3 is 192,350. What do you have, Brandon?
About the same, I guess. Like give or take like 20 pips or so.
Okay.
Like I'm looking for a break at the 193.5 for a sell, and I'm looking for a buy if it breaks, if it goes above 194.2. So it's around the same.
It's close, yeah. It's not.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm looking to catch if it goes for a sell like GN, like around 100 plus pips with this one too. Same
Yeah.
situation. I don't personally see like in terms of the 4 hour any sort of resistance until it reaches the 92.2 area. So
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'll just trail my stop.
That's what I do with the GPB pairs. Like if they're passing my targets, I'm just keep going. I just keep going with them.
Yeah, I started running now, so I have like my one with like my main lot, and another one with like a .1, like my runner, and I just let it do what it does.
Nice. Very nice, guys. Okay, what other pairs you guys want me to go over?
Can you do Euro NZD?
Euro NZD?
Yep.
I did 150. And the rest cash.
I would sell 170, 715. 170, 715. I would sell. And target one. That would be the retest. Second. And target two is 169, 730. And then if it doesn't break the sell, which it looks like it should, my buy would be 1716.40 to 17200 and then 172,800 for EN.
Thank you.
I see more sells if it breaks that support. More sells overall, even if it looks like it's more bearish than bullish. Does anyone want to add anything to it? Let me know. Any questions, anybody? On any other pair?
Can you go over UJ?
Okay. Yeah, she's actually at my buy zone. If it breaks above there, I want to buy her. Right here. Um, Give me a second. It's at my buy zone now, the 108,840. I want it to close above, and my TP1 is 108,920. 108,920 and 109,100 is TP2. TP3 is 109,095. Do you have the number, Jazz?
Yeah, I do. I just I put for me to actually jump in my buy. It's 850. It's like, kind of around there.
Yeah, that's like pipettes away, yeah.
Yeah, so I was just like, cuz I was going to jump when it was lower and I missed it cuz I had just gotten home from work and I had my perfect setup and I completely missed it. So I just wanted to see if you saw the same as me. I was looking for buys myself.
Nice. Good for you, girl. I'm proud of you.
I know, but I keep missing them.
I know. We gotta put alerts.
So I'm about to buy that now that Rudika said that. So I'm about to
Yeah,
buy
give it a
it and then
trial.
be like, it's too much, so give me half off.
Yeah, they'll work with you.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it tonight because, yeah, I'm missing out.
Yeah.
So, question: when the alerts go off, is it like an alarm or what does that? Because I
Yeah,
have the app on my phone.
it does. It rings the emails and texts, whatever setup you pick.
Okay. Okay. Just wanted to know.
Yeah, it's good though. Yeah,
I'm a
like
Kim, I
buy.
have a question.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to use the gold cup on my phone, but I don't know if like the app works. I keep getting like X'd out.
It doesn't.
Okay.
You have to log into like Internet Safari or like with a Google. Just log in that way.
I gotcha. Thank you.
It doesn't work because of this whole Apple disagreement we have with them. It's crazy. Apple wants money from us. That's why.
Wow.
So what's gonna happen with the app then?
They're working on it because it's already done. But if Apple wants money for every subscriber we get, it's crazy.
It's ridiculous.
Even though we pay for the design, we pay for everything. We pay for the server, we pay for the tech that's behind everything, and they want a cut of all that. It's crazy.
Man.
I'm like, you want to leave us with no fucking money, man.
Talk about being greedy, huh?
Oh yeah, Apple, forget it. Apple would, when people create apps and it's like a money app, forget it. They want rights to your stuff. It's crazy. But yeah, that's why it doesn't work, because if it's not gonna work on Apple, it ain't gonna work on Android that much. Yeah, but it's only a money situation.
Okay.
Yup. All right, guys. So it's 1 a.m. I'm gonna nap because I gotta be up for London. But I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. sharp for the New York session. So make sure you guys get some rest if you're gonna be up, or if not, if you're gonna just trade the London session, enjoy it, make that money. And I'll see you guys this week trading. I'll be on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you guys have any questions, just DM me. DM me a few times, all right, guys?
All right. Thank you, Ken.
All right.
Thank you for
Thanks,
being
Cam.
on. It was a
Thank
pleasure.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Appreciate it. Good night.
Absolutely. I appreciate you guys. Take care, and I'll see you all soon, all right?
All right.
Bye.
Get
Yeah.
some rest.
Bye,
Bye.
Ken.
Bye.